start with a base like this. 2 white pieces and 6 red pieces in the first row, and 3 white pieces and 5 red pieces in the second row. And now add here 2 white pieces. And the rest of the row is red. And now add an inverted row of red pieces. And now add a row of red pieces on top. Now add another row of red pieces, and while adding a piece, push it a little bit outside, like this. This will make the head rounder. Now add another row of red pieces. And now add the last row of red pieces. When you add a piece, push its top to the center like this, so this hole will be smaller. Now push the ends of the pieces to the middle once again. And now for the wings, take 2 flat red pieces and add one here. Just take it and insert it inside. Like this. It should be 2 pieces away from the center. So here. And insert the other piece here on the other side. So there should be 4 pieces in between them. Just push it into the hole. So it should look like something like this. Now for the feet, take a yellow piece and open it up. Now make the bottom flat here. Something like this. And now hold the top of the piece like this and the front of the piece like this, and pinch here somewhere in the middle of the flaps like this. Now push it down and repeat the same on other yellow piece. And glue it next to the white piece here, and while you insert it, push it a little bit up. like this, and do the same here. Now for the beak, take a piece of paper the same size you fold the pieces from. Now make a square out of it. So fold along this line, this edge to this edge, then cut off this part. Now unfold. Now fold this corner to this corner. Now fold in half like this. Now do the same here. Now fold each corner to the center. Like this. Now repeat that on all corners. Now fold it in half. Like this. Now do a reverse fold here. So open this part up, push it down, and then close. And repeat the same here. So it should look something like this. Now add some glue here, and then push, and then close it, and push it like this, and then add glue all around, and glue it here on the middle piece of the second row. So like this, and then glue eyes here above the beak, here and here, and it will be finished. When finished, it should look like this.